Well, as you may have guessed, this is a live feed, at least live for me, of the plume. And I must say it's lovely, much like watching a candle flame flicker in the dark. It's constantly changing, and yet it always seems to be the same. This morning on NPR radio, I heard that Pensacola area and that whole northern shore of Florida on the west side is no longer going to be using their very catchy ad campaign, "The Coast is Clear," because even though the coast still is clear, the oil is 6 miles off and heading toward the coast. And so now they're saying we'll keep you up to date on our website, which I don't think is as effective an ad campaign. We'll keep you up to date on our website. The coast is clear, that I like, but apparently it's not going to be clear for very long. However, I'm not going to make any clear value judgments here. I did see on the Business Channel this morning, that's CNBC, that one guy said strong buy on BP, and it was kind of interesting because he said that their dividend and everything is not going to be affected, even though they're going into like $1 billion now, and that it's going to go way past that, obviously, and then there's going to be liability. He said that they could easily absorb $100 billion total in the cleanup cost, in liability, and all without it affecting the dividend on the stock. Damn! And I mean, this is the time to buy, people, according to the Business Channel. Of course, others may disagree, and I'm not giving you advice. I'm just letting you know about this. Anyway, I get a little bit bored sometimes of YouTube. I was just on there. I watched a couple videos I enjoyed, but I didn't see anything else that I really liked. I did see a couple that I didn't like, but those weren't your videos, so don't panic. And so I thought I would check out the plume, and so I will put the link they call it something else now. It's the bottom sidebar of the top of the inside out loop around. So I'll put it there.